I am going to flood the house, since my parents have been grounding me so much lately. Ah ha 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 ha. Now I must get out of here before I get water all over me.
Blub blub blub. Blub 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 blub. Blub 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 blub.
Blub 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 blub.
Is everybody alright from what happened inside?
Yes, we're all fine, but Jason and Jasmine are
Yeah,
soaking
I
wet.
hope we can cheer them up somehow.
Wait, where's Shane? We haven't seen him come out of the house yet.
Thank goodness I got out of there. Now my parents can go and... Wait, how did you all get out of there?
Shane, did you have something to do with this whole water mess? Tell us all the truth right now.
Um, 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 um.
Tell us the truth right now, or there will be consequences.
Okay. I did flood the house because I was tired of you all grounding me all the time. I am so sorry.
Oh, Shane, man, we all can't believe you flooded the whole house, and you even flooded the street. That's so it. You are grounded for 8 more days. Go straight into your wet room and sleep.
Wow.